Are you looking for a career path that is more than just a job? At Vineburg Machining, you will be trained in tangible skills to operate state-of-the-art technology to take on any project no matter how big or small. Help shape the future by creating vital aerospace equipment for space exploration. Create essential components for travel on Virgin Hyperloop. People across the universe depend on these products, and you can be a key component in these creations by lending your unique perspective to our family. Our top priority is to create a family atmosphere by providing a safe work environment, flexible schedules, continued education, and personal improvement. Since 1977, Vineburg Machining has been cultivating top-tier equipment and employee growth. Join the family today. To apply, visit our Contact Us page on vineburgmachining.com.